Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show everyone a beginner's guide to OBS Studio. Now, OBS Studio is a very popular free and open source screen recorder for Windows, Mac, and Linux users. And if you want to learn how to use OBS, I'll show you in this video on how to use it, and it's pretty easy, so don't stress over this, okay? So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so just open up OBS first. Now, you can see OBS should already be like a black screen, meaning it's not displaying your screen just yet, okay? So you're gonna have to add a source, and this source is called display capture. If you want to record your screen, then add a source called display capture, okay? And name it whatever you want. And then the display, and if you want to capture your cursor, you can by leaving this on. If it's already on, then, and if you want it on, then leave it on. If you don't want it to capture your cursor, you can just turn that off. And you can also resize it to any size you like. And when you're done, if you don't want to resize when you're recording or something, you can just hit the lock button right here. Click on it, and you can't like move it unless you turn off the lock by clicking the lock again. Now, if you want to capture a game you have on your computer, click the plus button and click game capture. Name it whatever you want. And you're going to select which one. If you have a full screen game, then select capture any full screen application. If you have like a game that is just a window, then choose capture specific window and choose the one you want to capture. I'm just going to leave it on capture any full screen application. And they have a different kinds of sources you can add, like for example image. This is where you can add like an image to your to the recording, so you can put it somewhere in the screen, but I'm not gonna do that, okay? And this also, the locks also go for different kinds of sources. For example, if you don't want to move your image anymore, you can lock it. Unless you unlock it, it won't let you move it. And text is where you can add text to the part of the screen. Like for example, let me type in something like hi. Let's add some text to the screen. It's right here. Move it, and you can add as many sources as you like, okay? Now here where it says mixer, this is where you can control the audio of your microphone. Now the desktop audio is where it captures audio from maybe a video or maybe from audio of a game or anything. So if you want to capture like the desktop audio, make sure it's all on. But if it's really loud, I recommend turning it down a little bit so people don't get like ear rape, okay? So mic aux is where you can control the audio of your mic. Like for example, every time you speak, this thing rises to the top, and you can control it too. And yeah. Now, once you're done adding the sources you need, you can remove a source by clicking on it and click the minus button, okay? And if you want to view the settings of the source, just click it and click the gear icon. And then once you're done adding the sources you need, click the start recording button and it should start recording. Now, OBS is supposed to be is not just designed for only advanced users, but it is also designed for users with a good PC. Like for example, if you have a bad PC, then it's not going to record right, because you're going to have to find a video called best OBS settings for a bad PC in order to get the quality to be better. And once you're done recording, click stop recording, and it should stop. And then you're going to head over to your library and find the video you recorded. Now here's the catch. When you get OBS, its video format is default to FLV, meaning it's flash video. So you can change it to MP4 or MKV. And here's how to do it. Hold on. How do you do it again? Hold on. Let me see. I think you had to go to recording, to go to output, then recording. Make sure the output mode is advanced and change it to MP4, because FLV, you can't open up FLV the files unless you have flash video player. You can change it. There are different kinds, but I recommend MP4. And you can also start streaming on OBS just by click start streaming, but you're gonna have to go to where it says the stream section, the stream type, which is streaming services in default, the service you want to stream to. I just put it to YouTube Gaming, the server. Now you can see here the stream key. Well, you're gonna have to get the stream key you got in the YouTube Creator Studio. It's where it says live streaming, and just get your key and type it in. But if someone knows about this key, then they can live stream in your account, so don't share your key, okay? And then once you want to start streaming, just click start streaming, and once you're done, the button should be replaced with stop streaming. So once you're done, just click stop streaming for start recording. If you're done recording, then click stop recording. And if you want something more advanced on OBS Studio, click studio mode, but I don't recommend this for users who are more beginners, because if you're a beginner, then I don't recommend using OBS Studio mode. Now it's mostly just for advanced users, okay? So it's kind of complicated to use, and you can also rescale the video to 1:3. I just recommend this for some reason. And yeah, you can add more scenes if you like, but I just want one scene, okay? So thank you guys for watching. I hope this beginner's guide was really helpful to you, and if it was, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, see you later.